Thought I'd give you a little bit of update on my 2014 Ram pickup. I've had this now 6 years, and I just kind of want to do an update on my earlier review of what I've done to the pickup, some changes that I've made, and my overall impression of this truck. This is a 2014 Ram 1500 pickup, 3.6 liter Pentastar, 355 rear end with the full trailer tow package. I got this in August of 2014, traded in a 2014, what year was it? A 2007 Ford F-150. It had the 5.4 liter Triton motor, and I've always liked the way these Rams looked, and so I bought one. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you some of the changes that I've made. First of all, you can see I did a partial badge delete here. I left the Ram on there, took off the 1500. I thought it made it look just a little bit cleaner. I've also added the bedside stripe here, Ram 1500. That was quite an addition. I really liked that thing. And I added the DZ Tailgate Assist. Boy, that thing is really handy. It works real well, and if you're carrying something, you just need to open that up. Just had that, hit that latch and pull the handle. Hey, it saves you a lot of struggle. And if you can see right here, that is a tailpipe that is part of the MagnaFlow performance exhaust system that I put on this truck. I didn't want anything that was extremely loud. I wanted more of a deep sound, and this is a MagnaFlow 18-inch muffler that I put on it, and it sounds good when I start it up. And when you're driving down the road, there's no drone because I did leave the resonator on it. And if I go to the inside here, I can show you some of the other things that maybe I did. Well, I did do. Hey, guess what these are? COVID-19 stuff. Mileage, right there. That was 46,700. And another thing here, which is pretty cool, 9-drive throttle controller. Now, I was looking at some of the other brands, but this particular one was a lot less money, and I thought, what the heck, I'd give it a try. And there's several settings on this thing that you can fiddle around with it. It has a comfort mode, the sport mode, and the racing mode, and each setting has 9 sensitivity loads and programs, I guess I should say. I'm not talking very well today, but anyway, what the heck. I tell you what, when I put this thing on level 2 and sensitivity, I think about 6, man, this thing absolutely feels like a total different truck. It is quite peppy, or seems to be quite peppy. So anyway, next thing that I did was on the shift knob right there. Now, this thing I found online. It was a something that I thought would help make it a little bit different than the feel of, you know, the round knobs that actually came with the vehicle and that was on there previously. And yeah, I like it. It has a good feel to it. Pretty easy to install. A little pricey, but I think it did pretty well. And this is, of course, the quad cab. Awful bright sun today. Wow, that's bright. Anyway, this thing does everything that I want to as far as the truck. I also put in the flat load floor. I have to get some of this junk out of the way here. But this is good. I kind of actually got this to help with the dogs if they wanted to ride inside. So now I have a flat load floor there. And the thing about it is they just bolt right up. No problem. And I got this actually from a junkyard. It was out of a wrecked 2005 Dodge Ram pickup. And I thought, well, what the heck? I think that'll fit. I went and measured it. And heck, the guy gave it to me for a song because it was really filthy dirty. It came out of a farm truck. And I just took it home and power washed it, let it dry real good, took a can of spray, flat black spray paint, and kind of dolled it up a little bit, let it dry real good, and had it installed probably in about, I would say probably about 20 minutes. But I sure use it quite a bit. It's split, so you can use half of it and half not. Anyway, the truck has been great for me. I do use it for about everything. I have used it for towing. I have a travel trailer loaded up. It probably weighs pretty close to 5,000 pounds. And the truck seems to do very well. In fact, it tows just as well as my F-150 I was speaking earlier about. Gets better gas mileage, and I've used it for just about everything. Try to keep it up pretty nice. Anyway, that is a little about my Ram 1500 pickup. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll catch you guys on a later date. See you later.